I'm sweating like a you-know-what in church. Let me hurry here.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Grace, and in my channel I DIY just about everything. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my latest Mackenzie Childs Haul from the Artisan Festival they had at the beginning, or I should say at the end of September, beginning of October. My first piece I'm so excited to share with you. I know I'm kind of crazy that way. I might have to do 2 videos, I'm not sure. But the first piece was this. Oh my goodness. If you follow me, you know I love these. I'm going to show you where I put my last one. Somebody can look at this and go, what the hell's that, right? But I got to tell you, look at all this beadwork. Somebody had to do this, okay? This is what's so beautiful about it. When I look at Mackenzie Childs, I don't look at always the piece itself. The piece is always fun, but it's the work that went into it. And it doesn't matter where it was made. To me, it was the hard work that went into it. People all over the world deserve that credit, and I think I love it. No, I don't think. I know I love it. And I'm going to show you where I'm going to put this later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. My next piece is, I love the colors, love the golds, love everything about it. That it's, the gold is, well, it's a yellow, but almost like a bumblebee yellow. It's so pretty. I love the beadwork on the teapot, and it's got so much detail over here. And just think, somebody actually sat there and made this. How cool is that? So I got 2 of these. Actually, I didn't find these. My husband did. And he found them, and he bought them before I even knew about it. I know, he's crazy that way. I did get this flag. I actually had been looking for this for a while. So when I did find it, I was excited. Now this one says welcome. There are some that says Easter, but I wanted one that I can sort of use, you know, spring and summer and fall. It's an excellent size, quite big, and the back is all in checkered. Quite big. I was in desperate need of a cup because I had no cups in my home. You know what I mean. So I did get this one, the enamel cup, and I love it because I don't know why. I just love it. I friggin' wanted it and I got it. Let's just put it that way. Really, how many of you Mackenzie Childs collectors go to the Mackenzie Childs sale and look at something and go, I need that, but you don't know why? You just do. Well, this is one of the things. I don't know why, but I did. And you know what? I'm glad I did. Love it. I know why. I can sit by the pool. If I topple it over, it won't break, but it'll chip. I'll keep it in the house. But I love it. I don't care, even if it chips. You know what? It's mine. I love it. I live once, and I'm getting it. Oh, no. I got it. The next piece is this cup. I really, I was going to say I love it, but you're probably sick enough hearing me say I love it because I love a lot of things. When it comes to Mackenzie Childs, you know, I love, 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 love. So this is one I love. The cheetah pattern on it. I really didn't have anything in the green, so I'm really super glad I got that. This was a great deal. It was $48. Now don't forget that I'm in Canada, so you really have to add 30% plus border fees and yada, yada, yada. I don't care. I wanted it. I got it. And I love it. My hope is to collect all of them. You can hope, right? Why not? When I got to a certain age, my motto was, I want it, I love it, I'm getting it, and boom. So I didn't have the silver 2-inch, so it's regular, it's $38, all American, but it's the silver and gray. And then I got a blue and red. I needed to get that. I don't know why, I just needed to. The funny thing is I get this stuff, but then I find a way to use it. So, you know, and then I'm so glad that I purchased it. A pack of the blue, because I didn't have that. I picked up another one of these. More DIYs coming. Now this piece, did I need it? No. Do I have other ones? Yes. Did I want it? Absolutely. Did I get it? Damn right I did. I don't have a blue piece. So getting this was quite invigorating for me. I'm not sure about what it's called, but I think it's the everything bowl or something like that. And I love that it has that foot. You can use this as a salad bowl, serving bowl. You can use it for desserts. You can use it as a punch bowl. You can use it for everything, which is, I think that's why it's called an everything bowl. So beautiful. Had to have it. Why? I'm not sure. I like to laugh and joke around here in my channel, and I love to do my DIYs. I love buying Mackenzie Childs stuff. At the end of the day, you have to look at your budget. Let's be serious for a moment. Mackenzie Childs is not easily affordable to everyone. And I think that we have to keep in mind to the people who can't afford it. Having a YouTube channel, I get messages from everybody. I get positive messages. I get not so positive messages. I had one lady say I was describing something that I had purchased and she was not happy, and she said that's the price. That one piece is what I pay for rent, or I don't even pay that much for rent. I feel for you. I get it. If that's you watching, I want you to know that I wasn't always able to afford this. I wasn't always able to afford a lot of things many, many years ago when my children were babies. Life was tough. Sometimes I didn't even have enough for groceries or paying a bill. So I get what you're saying. I can't apologize for what I have. Not that I don't sympathize with you, because I do. I've been there. But now I can get these things, and I want to spoil myself because it was hard before, and now I can. And I'm considering myself extremely, extremely blessed. And I never, ever, ever want to take that for granted, or ever, ever, ever not be humble. When you were in a certain place in life and then you're not there anymore, you've moved forward, you should always, always remain humble, because life is funny, you know. I mean, you can be at the top and then you can go to the bottom. Who knows, right? This is where I am now, and I am thankful and blessed, and I want to be able to enjoy those things. But I've had people come on. They come on and they say, so much money on that junk. This stuff makes me happy. I'm not going to take it with me when I go 6 feet under. You're not going to take your money with you when you go 6 feet under. You're not taking anything with you when you're 6 feet under. And you know, you don't want to be the richest person in the cemetery if that's where you're going. At the end of the day, we have a short life, so enjoy what you have. And if it means buying Mackenzie Childs, or if it means buying Chanel, or if it means buying particular things from Dollarama, Dollar Tree, or Dollar General, if it makes you happy and you can afford it at that point in your life, nobody has a right to say no to you. It is your decision. It is your life. It is your happiness. I want you to think about that. Let's get back to this unboxing. I'm sweating like a you-know-what in church. So the next piece is towels, 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 towels. Of course we need towels. We all need towels. These are made in Portugal. Oh, mama, look at that. That yellow brightness, it's almost, well, it's kind of a greenish yellow. And the checks here and the towel. These are made in Portugal. So not only do I love Mackenzie Childs, but because I'm Portuguese, this has special meaning. So I'm never going to use it. No, I'm just kidding. I use everything. It has the checks on both sides. The next piece is the utensil holder. But I do like these because these are multi-purpose. You can use this when you're entertaining as an ice bucket for a nice bottle of Prosecco or wine or whatever you enjoy to drink. And you can also use it as a flower vase, and you can also use it as a utensil holder. This is a lovely thing about Mackenzie Childs, guys. If you're new to Mackenzie Childs, try to buy pieces that are versatile. Then you can use them in many, many ways. This is one of them. I have the other ones, but I didn't have this pattern, and I really wanted to get that. This pattern is so pretty. Let me hurry here. Now, I've been to the Mackenzie Childs store a few times, and I was quite disappointed they didn't have this piece. Now, this is a small size. I do have 6 of the big size, but I was looking for a little one. For medical reasons, I can't really have sugar, so I wanted to get small enough that I can put those packets, because my cookie jars are regular size and they were big. Oh, that friggin' thing is so adorable. Okay, that's another thing. Now this one, I didn't open it. Sitting by the fire pit. Maybe this will help me. Being resourceful. Gotta MacGyver it. Honey, can you help me? Of course, most of my pieces are the black and white checkered. So I got this one. Isn't that pretty? It says Mackenzie Childs in the back. I can also use it as a mirror, maybe. Damn, I have more wrinkles than I thought I did. They're called happy wrinkles. We're good with happy wrinkles. The next two pieces are two carpets that I purchased, but I will have to show you on the floor because as soon as they came, I couldn't wait, and hubby put them down, so I'll take you there and show you. One of the carpets, I put it here with a bumblebee. That's going to be my tushy absorber when I come downstairs. And then I've got the other one by the front door. I really like this color and I wanted it simple. It's a little, white for the front door coming in and out, but you know what? I don't care. And then I gotta show you though, this bench I have here in my foyer. This I got on Marketplace. I really, really think it's absolutely stunning. It has the fleur-de-lis over there. And I got this on Marketplace for, believe it or not, guys, hold on to your socks, $40. It really didn't need anything, but hubby just, gave it a fresh coat of paint just to make sure that, it was nice and fresh. And then he added some new screws just to make sure it wasn't going anywhere. And I had these wonderful four ladies, and one of them said hello and that they watch me. And I'm like, oh, thank you. Blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean. Blah, blah, blah. You're welcome. Oh, thank you. I couldn't make heads or tails, and I freaking hated that. I'd never been stopped before, so it caught me off guard. If you see me, say hello. Love to meet you. If you did meet me there, please leave me a comment and let me know. I do want to acknowledge you, and I want to thank you for saying hello. I had the pleasure of having some experiences at Mackenzie Childs. So I painted a platter. I painted a cookie, a teapot cookie. Hello. Listen, guys. We'll discuss that after. Both my husband and I had the pleasure of having tea with Rebecca Proctor. That moment I realized was extremely special. I have another video coming that's going to be of my experiences. I'm going to share that with you. It's my next video. I'm taking you shopping to Mackenzie Childs, and I'm going to show you what they had this year. You know what? Now I want to hear from you. You've heard from me. Now I want to hear from you. I want to hear in the comments what was your favorite piece and why. And please, please, please also leave me a comment and let me know where you're watching from. I would love to know. So that's it for now, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So for now, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say remember when and never ever I wish I did. Thank you for spending some time with me. Have an amazing week. I love you guys.